Guys, nasa Biyo Hataw na ako. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, it's been a while again na nag-vlog ako. And today is a special day kasi may experience ko na ngayon ang Biyo Hataw or yung Biyo Olympics ng Bicol University. So, ngayon na yung performance namin, mga first years, second year, and mga PathFit students sa BU. And, oh my gosh, it's a memorable event na naman today. Kaso, umuulan na naman. Laging umuulan pag may event ang BU. So, hindi to pwede. So, sana okay na ang weather para hindi kami maulanan mamaya. So ngayon ay preparing na ako with you kasi may roommate na ako ngayon dito sa boarding house. And yeah, punta na lang kami dun sa venue mamaya and let's enjoy guys! Yes! Yes! So, yeah, see you later guys. Bye! Let's enjoy! Hi guys! So, dito na ako ngayon sa school and dito na kami sa may library kasi dito kami mag-stop or like mag-wait ng mga delegates bago kami pumasok sa grandstand. And kasama ko mga classmate ko na ayan, ang dami na agad tao. Like, it's like 2:50 pa lang. Ang dami na agad tao naghihintay dito. So, let's enjoy this moment guys. Since ito ang first big hataw natin. Yes! Let's go!
Wow!
So, nakapila na kami dito ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung magsa-start na kami, pero nakapila na kami. Like, ayan na ang pila. So, meron po tayong interviewin dito. And pakilala ka po muna.
Hi, I'm Nili.
Neely, how do you feel right now?
Excited.
Yun lang po ba? Ikaw, how do you feel right now?
I'm super disappointed.
Huwag na nga. So, andito pa rin kami ngayon sa may library. Hinahanap namin yung ABS-CBN kasi nga magpapa-interview kami. So, ayan. Ano pong nafe-feel nyo right now?
I don't feel any pressure right now. El Nino, La Nina. El Nino is what we are feeling today. But if we do plant more trees, we will not experience that, right? So if we do plant more trees, then we will achieve La Nina.
Thank you so much. So, ano na tanongin natin sa'yo? Ano ba?
What would you pick? Oh,
Ano?
No.
Iyan naman sa mic.
What would you pick? Brains or beauty? Thank you. Ikaw, debater ng Boods, what would you pick? Brains or beauty?
Yes.
I am for medical use but not so for recreational use. Because if people would argue, what about cigarette? Where everything is good but in moderation. Thank you.
Yes, start na kami. Start na. We are now entering, guys. This is it.
And of course, syempre, paparating pa rin ang ibang members ng nasabing college. And likewise, tinatawag natin rin ang college, sila na ang susunod dito. After the tale of the College of Arts and Letters. Natin dito sa ating
Hi guys! So, ito tayo ng ating dream BU Hataw experience. Yeah, makikita po nyo ito ang stage na. Pakita mo ang stage. Yes, ayan. Very ganda ng stage. Very excited to experience BU Hataw. So, hindi ako makapag-vlog mamaya kasi syempre mag-busy-busy din ako. So, ayan. Dami natin mga classmates, mga schoolmates dito na pumupunta from Tabaco, Pulangi, and many more. So, yeah, ang balita ko, 10,000 kami dito. So, yeah, it's a very one moment in time. Basta unique experience. So, thank you, Biggie, for this. Super exciting talaga itong magaganap ito kasi as a BUN, first year student, is a dream, guys, na mag-participate sa BU Hataw. So, yeah. So, hi guys! So, nag-start na yung event and yeah, dito na kami ngayon sa may malapit sa stage kasi malapit kami perform and walas ko lang yung step kahapon so ganun kami ng gakap. And yeah, pakita mo yung buong venue guys. Yes, ayan, super daming tao. Nakikita nyo to guys! Guys, sasayaw na kami dito later! Ah! I'm very super happy na naranasan ko to. Thank you, Bio, na kinuha niyo ako dito. Thank you. Sana ma-interview ako ng ABS-CBN kasi alam niyo yan, pangarap ko yun, ma-interview. Sana maghanap tayo ng ABS-CBN reporter mamaya. Go.
There is only one thing that can hinder you from accepting challenges. It is lack of faith. Therefore, believe
He's undoubtedly one of the